Hello everyone, welcome to my new channel Commerce Connector Learn through Akanksha. I am Akanksha Kumari and I have completed MCom from St. Xavier's College, Ranchi. I have also cleared NTA NET in Commerce. Currently I am pursuing B.Ed from Central University of Jharkhand and I love to teach students with learning differences. In this video, I will discuss with you a unit of business studies, that is meaning and characteristics of business environment. So, as you can see that business environment is combination of two words, business and environment. Here, we will understand the meaning of both terms separately, which is business and environment. After that, we will conclude the meaning of business environment. So, business is occupation in which people engage in activities related to purchase or sale of goods or services to earn profit. So, business is basically an occupation in which people are getting involved in activities such as production or purchase or sale of goods and services. And the prime motive to get involved in these activities are to earn profit. Now, what is environment? So, environment means the surrounding, external objects or circumstances under which someone or something exists. In very simple words, we can say that everything around us is environment. And if we talk about the environment in the context of business, then we can say that it is sum total of individual, institutions and other factors. Institutions means the other business firms or the competitors. Now, what are the other factors? The other factors are customers, suppliers, competitors, marketing intermediaries, which include agents, economic policies, political environment, and so on. So, business environment means the sum total of individuals, institutions, and other factors which influence the business and over which business has no control. So, on these factors, business has no control. Business can't control the customers, suppliers, agents, or the competitors in the market. Business even can't control the policies of the economy, the ideologies of different political parties, the social and legal environment. So, after understanding all these things, we can conclude the meaning of business environment. So, business environment refers to the external environment which is outside the business firm and include factors outside the business firm which can lead to opportunities and threats to the firm. So, how these factors can lead to opportunities and threats to a firm? Yes, if a business unit studies the business environment precisely, then they can take advantage of the opportunities available in the market. But if they do not do so, they will find threats or they will face threats. So, we have understood the meaning of business environment. Now, let's discuss the characteristics of business environment. Here are some of the characteristics which includes sum total of external forces, specific forces, general forces, interrelatedness of factors, dynamic in nature, complexity, uncertainty and relativity. Let's discuss each characteristics in details. So the first one is sum total of external forces. Business environment is sum total of external forces. We have already discussed that business environment refers to the external forces or the external environment which are outside the business unit. But here it is written sum total. Why it is sum total of external forces? Because business environment is a group of many such forces. As I have discussed, it includes customers, supplier, competitors, economic policies, legal environment, political environment, and so on. That is why the nature of business environment is of totality. The next one is specific forces. Specific forces are those forces which affect business unit or firm directly. Means these forces do not affect the entire industry, but they affect a single business unit. And they affect each business unit differently. The effect is not same, and the forces which comes under specific forces are customers, suppliers, competitors, and intermediaries. The next one is general forces. So this is just opposite of specific force. It affects the entire industry but not a single unit, and the effect is almost equal in all areas. And the forces which come under general forces are social, political, legal, and technical conditions. The next one is interrelatedness of factors. The factors of business environment are correlated to each other. There is a relationship between the each factor of business environment. For example, we can take the current scenario. The outbreak of COVID-19 increased the awareness for hygiene among the people, which have increased the demand of many products such as hand sanitizers and hand washes. In this example, you can see that how different factor of business environment is correlated. The next one is dynamic in nature. So why business environment is dynamic in nature? Because business environment keeps on changing. We can take the example of customers, technologies, and the competitors. They changes very frequently. That is why business environment is dynamic in nature. Uncertainty. Business environment is full of uncertainty. It is just unbelievable or impossible to believe if someone says that I can predict future. Similar, similar happens in the case of business. No one can predict precisely the future happenings, especially when the changes in the environment are very frequent. We can take the example of fashion industry. Fashion changes almost every month. Or, or we can take the example of information technology. Here, you can take an example of mobile phones. Almost every month, new mobile phones are getting launched with new versions, with latest technology. This shows that how fast our environment is changing. That is why business environment is full of uncertainty, and it is very difficult for one to predict the future. Next one is complexity. So all the business environment are related to each other. As I have already discussed, interrelatedness of factors. So the factors of business environment are related to each other. So identifying the individual effect of these factors on business are not easy to recognize. Identifying which factor has affect the business is not an easy task. It requires a lot of expertise and a lot of time. That is why business environment is complex. The next one is relativity. So the business environment are related to the local environment. That is why it differs from place to place or country to country. To understand this concept of relativity to the local conditions, we can take the example of sari. The demand for sari in India is comparatively higher than any other place in the world. Similarly, Kandora. Kandora is a white colored ankle length cloth which is basically used in Dubai. The demand for this cloth is high in Dubai than India. So by this example, you can understand that how business environment is related to the local conditions. So we have discussed the meaning and characteristics of business environment. And if you have any doubt and suggestions regarding this video, please comment. Please like and subscribe this channel. Thank you.